it's Holly Rovinger, author of the Sassy Workbook series and creator and founder of Empowering Women Monthly. Welcome. Today I have a serious discussion to present to you. Recently, I've been reading a lot of articles, offline and online, from some very distinguished and reputable financial advisors and financial people in the news. And a lot of the discussion centers around having a discussion with your soon-to-be spouse before marriage. Now, money is a difficult topic to discuss even after you're married, so it's even more difficult to discuss before, but it's even that much more critical to do so. Having the discussion way before you tie the knot could hopefully prevent you from going to divorce court later on. So what do you want to discuss with your soon-to-be spouse? You know, pretty much anything you can think of related to money would be a good topic. For example, are you a spender or a saver? You know, do you like to invest your money? How do you like to invest? How much risk would you like to assume? When you shop, are you frugal or are you pretty much what we call spendy, just buying whatever you want, whether you want it, need it, or whatever? It's just an impulse. You need to find out these things about the person, because the number one cause of divorce is usually over money, and if you can prevent it from happening pre-marriage, it would be that much better. So think about two different questions about financial obligations. If it's a first marriage, maybe the only financial obligations would be perhaps a school loan, or, you know, they owe somebody money, whatever it may be. But if there's a lot of outstanding financial obligation and you have a substantial amount in the bank, that's the point where you may want to consider talking to an advisor about drawing up a prenuptial agreement. Now, if it's a second marriage or beyond, there may be other financial obligations to discuss. Perhaps there's child support, alimony, previous house payments, whatever. I mean, it could be a myriad of details with financial arrangements. So that's something you really want to bring up. And also, if it is, well, really, whether it's a first or second marriage, how are you going to split up the money? Are you going to have a joint account? Are you going to have separate accounts and a joint account? How are you going to handle it? I truthfully believe, the more that I'm learning, is that if you can have the discussion before and sit down and make arrangements, and really maybe come to an agreement that you'll have a 50-50 say, and actually, you know, your partners in every other sense of the word, be partners with finances as well. Finances as far as, you know, how you're going to spend your money, how you're going to save, how you're going to invest, the whole part of financial management and financial planning. And this will be a really positive step to help you stay away from divorce court. You know, have this major discussion before you tie the knot, not after. So just to review, I'm just trying to encourage people to have the money discussion before marriage, to find the person's views on money, how they handle money, perhaps even how their parents handled money, just to get an idea of what you're facing, you know, when you do get married and you're living together and managing everything jointly. So with that said, have the discussion, leave your comments below, tell me if you like it, like it, and if you love it, pass the message on. And remember, always have a positive mindset so you can live healthier and wealthier and happier with passion.